Hi, Nevada Virtual Academy, Algebra 1. Here we are, Mr. N, back in business, right? This is a problem in lesson 4. It's the next one from what we did in class, page 50, problem number 7. You guys were supposed to solve problems on this in this unit, right? Comparing expressions. As you can see, you have two expressions, one on the right, one on the left, and you're required to perform a substitution in here, right? Basically, wherever you have A, you will plug in 3 for it. Okay, it's that easy. This way, the left side will become 4 times 6 minus 3, everything squared, plus 8. Okay, the other side will be 4 times 6 minus a, which is 3 now, squared, plus 8. Let's start with the left. As usual, we're following order of operations rule, right? PEMDAS. Do we have parentheses? Yes, we have. What is that? 6 minus 3 is going to be 3, right? Squared. Don't forget about that. And then everything else stays. Plus 8. What is the next step? Do we have exponents? Yes, we do. 3 squared equals 9. I have 4 times 9 plus 8. What is the next operation? Be careful. Multiplication. 4 times 9, 36. Plus 8. Easy now will be 44. Okay? This is your left side, 44. Let's try the other side. Parentheses. We don't have any parentheses, right? Exponents, yes, we have. Let's go with that. Right? So no parentheses. We have exponents. That would be 9. 4 times 6. That would be the next one. Your multiplication. 4 times 6 is 24. Minus 9 plus 8. Order of operations again. Adding, subtracting, left to right. Okay, 24 minus 9 is going to be 15 plus 8. 15 plus 8. 23, right? Well, 44 and 23, you have to put the appropriate sign. 44 is greater than 23, and you are done. Okay, page 51, problem number 22. Determine if the given value makes a true statement. What is the given value? Well, the given value, z equals 3. So wherever you have z, you will plug in 3. Moving on, left side, 4 times 3 plus 6 in parentheses, less than 6 times 3 plus 14. Okay, order of operations, dependence. Okay, do we have parentheses? Yes, we do. 3 plus 6, 9. Left side, 4 times 9 should be less than the other parentheses. 3 plus 14 is 17. 6 times that. Okay, 4 times 9, 36. Should be less than 6 times 7 is 42. 6 times 1, 6 plus 4, 102. This is a true statement, and you're going to say true. Okay, let's see if we have another one. Alright, word problem. Harlan has $21 to spend on ingredients for grilled cheese sandwiches for his party. He has chosen 3 loaves of bread at $2 per loaf, right? He needs 4 pounds of cheese. You can buy American cheese at $2 per pound, cheddar cheese at $3 per pound, or Swiss at $3 per pound. What is the most expensive cheese he can afford? Okay, so when you say the most expensive, I'm looking for, the 3 type of cheeses, or cheese we have, not cheeses, cheese that we have here, right? Talk about American cheese, cheddar, or Swiss, right? So American cheese is what? $2 per pound, right? Cheddar is $3 per pound, and Swiss is also $3 per pound. Right? How can we start this problem? Well, first of all, I know that, you know, Harlan has $21, so whatever I will have, whatever he will spend, has to be less than or equal to that, right? Because that's the maximum amount he can go or she can go for it. All right. Besides that, we know that definitely, you know, a necessary required expense here will be the 3 loaves of bread at $2 per loaf. So we're talking about 3 times 2, right? 3 breads times $2. That's definitely going to be part of the cost here. Okay. Now to this one, I need to add what? I need to add the cheese cost, right? And the cheese cost will be given by 4, right? Because he needs 4 pounds of cheese, and 4 pounds of cheese will be 4 multiplied by whatever the cost of cheese will be, and we know that could be 2, 3, or I mean $2 or $3 per pound, right? Because the problem is telling us that, you know, each cheese has a specific price, and now we need to know which one is the most expensive cheese he can afford. And there are a few ways in which you can go. You can try by plugging in 3 into your equation, right? Your inequality, or you can solve the inequality. You can choose whichever way. You can go ahead and say, okay, I'm going to plug in the most expensive cheese, which in this case is the cheddar and the Swiss, right? Plugging that into your expression, you have what? 3 times 2 plus 4 times 3 should be less than or equal to 21. Is that so? Well, let's see. Order of operations again. Multiply first, right? That will be 6 plus 12 less than or equal to 21. Is that true? Well, 6 plus 12 is 18, which is less than or equal to 21. We are good. So Harlan can go for cheddar, Swiss, or he can combine by, I don't know, 2 pounds of each, 3 pounds of one, 1 pound of the other. That's pretty much, you know, how you can solve this problem going this way. Another way would be to solve your inequality, right? And how can you do that? Oh, sorry for the noise. Screeching noise, right? 3 times 2, that's what? That's 6. Your inequality is actually 6 plus 4x should be less than or equal to 21. To solve the inequality, you subtract 6 from both sides, right? I want to keep my x by itself. I have 6 minus 6, nothing. 4x less than or equal to 15. Okay, if you divide now by 4, because you need to find what is x, you will find that your x should be less than or equal to 15 divided by 4 will be 1. 4 goes in 15 3 times. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 out of 15 is 3, right? Decimal point. 4 goes in 30 how many times? 7 times. 7 times 4, 28 out of 3, out of 30, 2, add a 0, 4 goes in 20, 5 times, right? So the cost of your cheese, of the, you know, pound of cheese, should be less than $3.75. So obviously, like I said, he can afford the cheddar or the Swiss. And this is how you solve a problem like that. Let me know if I made any mistake. We can talk about it, and will be extra credit if you're finding that. Okay, this is it. Thank you.